So I wanted to keep it as simple as possible, because before it was like this. Let me first go back to the back, and then so before it was somewhere there. So then I made sure that I got it to that to that step. Okay, so now what I want to do is to list out the different activities that are basically done, okay, that we do, that we can help out. But before, I wanted to just first save, Control S, first save this step, so that if it happens to switch off, we can happen to go back. Okay, so we come here and get this subscribe, switch it off and see. Okay, so we would not want to use this one, we would go for the one that is bigger, this one. So if I drop like a stroke on it, are you seeing that? So if, let me keep it at that blue, are you seeing that? Or if I undo that, then I go back again and stroke, so it comes, then I change this color to a red color or a yellow color to look the same. It does not come out well, because I thought maybe I would make it look the same as the one that is on the character in our image. So we would want to have something a little bit dark. Could we go for, I would want it to at least shout out, but because I want to keep it more simple, because the moment I keep it dark, not simple, it would disturb me, it would go off. So maybe, what color should I use? What color should I use? Could I use that one? Could I get a red color that is a little bit more red? It does not shout out properly. Let me keep it at that. So then I keep it at that. Then I come and get my brush and make sure I remove caps to see it properly. So I get this, then go to the upper layer and brush. Okay, the upper layer. So if I decrease this and get something small and pass it here. Let me first shade it properly. Then that and shade it out. that. So from there, like having this, okay, we list the different editing tips. Okay, so when we remember our text that we did of what we would want to have, so we have this. Okay, so from there maybe we have editing tips. That is a Control T. Control T. Okay, so we have this. Then from there we also have editing, learn different softwares, editing tips, and career guidance. Maybe I can Control J this, then click, hold and drag, holding shift. Okay, then when I get here, go back to my brush and first brush to see this, see it through. Control Z, so I make sure I'm in the text. Okay, now Control S to save. Then from there we get the text tool and maybe type in. Okay, learn different softwares, editing tips, and sharing creative ideas, plus sharing creative ideas plus, okay, imaginations. That is too much. Let me stop there on ideas. Okay, oh, Control Z, we still have this plus imaginations. Okay, so if that is what we have, we would want to make this subscribe a little bit larger, so I click in that one, then I also look for the other one, Control, so that it does not select what is in between, because subscribe would be big, because it is the main purpose we would want people to see. They should understand that we need them to subscribe. So we get here and we get this brush tool, caps off, See that? So now we are going to try to first save it. Now we are going to try to get this cover photo and put it on our image, on our YouTube cover art. So we get it as a JPEG. Okay. On the desktop, so we paste it for study purposes. Okay, so it should not exceed 6 MBs. So we keep it at 1. So now we go to our, so if let me say you signed into your email, you go to YouTube. Then from there, you come to this icon and click on Studio. Then, wait in Studio. Let me first see this. Let me first get this here. So let us pick up from there and I show you how to upload. Okay.